So I just wanted to talk briefly about the simulator that we developed and released for the competition. I remember when Jorge pitched this idea while I was a PhD student, and I said there was no way we were going to have time to get this done. And little did we know that COVID was coming and this was going to get delayed for a while. And sure enough, we were able to wrap this up into the challenge. So I'm going to just briefly share my screen here, show you if you wanted to go out and play with the simulator yourself. So we released this as, is everyone seeing my screen? Hopefully. So we released this as an open source Python package. And so you can go out and download it from the Python package index like you would anything else with pip install PyHailing, for those of you who are interested in playing along at home. We made this as an OpenAI gym environment. And what this means is that it's compatible with a lot of the reinforcement learning communities out there, right? So they tend to use this OpenAI gym that at a high level operates where you have basically you, the builder, are responsible for creating an agent. And this agent gets states from an environment, or the environment here is this ride-hailing simulator. And you take some actions, and then the environment spits out, okay, this is the reward you get for taking that action, and this is the next state that you will find yourself in. And then this process repeats. And so this is at a high level how the simulator works. So the variant that we're working on here, so at a high level, what we're doing, basically we have an operator who has control over a fleet of homogeneous taxis. And they are responsible for choosing which of their taxis go and serve which requests that are arising randomly. And then they're also responsible for figuring out what they want to do with their taxis when they're not busy serving customers. Where do we want to move them so that they're better able to serve future requests? And when they are not serving requests, they are supposed to wait at dedicated lots. And so they have, these lots they have to go visit. And so I like to think of this problem as being sort of divided into two main parts of the problem. One is figuring out which vehicles go and serve which requests, and the other is figuring out where do we want to move our vehicles so that they can better serve future requests. And I think we have two great talks coming up that have sort of emphasized each of those different parts of the problem. And so we're looking forward to hearing from them. Just one last plug is that this is an open source package and it is not perfect. So we absolutely welcome extensions and improvements from the community. So if you were to try this out and feel that it does not meet your needs, or just be interested in carrying the torch a little bit further, all contributions are welcome. And with that, I will stop and turn it over to our first, or I guess back to Jorge to introduce our first presenters.